Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'll be doing the oil change of my 2018 Ford F150, the 5-liter V8. So I got the truck halfway through the garage here because it's windy outside, and I got everything here: the oil filter, air filter. I'll be upgrading the air filter to K&N, and then I went with the factory spec oil, and then maybe upgrade it sometime with the full synthetic, but as for now I have to do it with the factory spec oil. Yeah, so let's get into it. But before I start draining that oil there, I think I might have to open this one first for it to easy. There you go. That might make it easier to drain that oil there. So what it is a lifted truck. I won't be needing any jack stands or jack to lift it up. So I just have to crawl under it and then remove the drain plug. And so we're under the truck, and then I heard a lot of complaints about this drain plug here. This one here that came with it. They said it's cheap for an expensive truck. Yeah, and I heard it's hard to open. So I got something else. I got a special tool here, a small crowbar to maybe help me with opening it. So let's get into it. As expected, I made a mess. Holy. Well, we learn from our mistakes. So our next step is to take that oil filter out. Yeah, it's a little bit in a tight spot here for me, but I think we can get through it. Then put this new one on. Yes. There you go. So I only hand tied it to make it easier for next oil change. Let's put back the drain plug. There goes the drain plug. Okay, next will be the air filter. So yeah, it's already pre-oiled, and it is reusable. Just slap it back right in. And the oil. So this engine takes around 8 quarts, so I bought 9 1-liters. There you go. So before I pour the last two bottles, I have to check the level first. I think, yeah, we're almost there. Let's add some more. Be careful not to overfill it, or you'll damage the engine. There you go. That's about half of it. And then let's check the level again. So yeah, there is what we want it to be. I think we're good. So the next thing is to reset the oil life. Okay, scroll down, go to the settings, and then advance, vehicle, then there you go, oil life reset. Press OK to reset life. There you go. So it's 100% now. Let's wrap up everything, clean everything, and then take it for a spin. We'll take her for a spin, and then once we get back, we'll check the oil level again. And so we are back. I did check the oil level, and it was on point. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.